This is a used 2007 Nissan Altima, powered by front-wheel drive, a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. The features include tilt and telescopic steering wheel, an alarm system, cruise control, keyless entry, split rear seats, a trip computer, privacy glass, air conditioning, power windows, power mirrors. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us. Carlsbad Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 2802 West Pierce Street, Carlsbad, New Mexico, 88220.